Well, this is the Weedeater RC car, and tried to get a good video of it driving, but I couldn't. Last night it was getting too dark. Daylight got the best of me on that one. But there's a controller. There's a car. See, it's real cold. Haven't started it today, so just filled the tank up with fresh gas, and this is going to be a cold start and drive. The battery's just kind of hanging out there. Moves back and forth a little, but not really enough to care. Just kind of taped in place down there. Can only go so far before it hits a bolt on that plate. So anyway, here's the on and off switch. And I wonder if I left it on. I did. Ah, wow, that's cool. Bet you that means when I start driving, it's gonna have a bunch of shenanigans going on with it. But oh well, I left it on for however long, 24 hours. But it's on there. Alright, let's put my thumb over, or finger over the hole for a choke, and now. Batteries are dying in the car. It's almost like it was left on for like 24 hours. But stock on the clutch. Stock on the area. Servo super glued to the front of the motor. Can't exactly drive the best with one hand, but we'll try it. It is a little top heavy, as you might imagine. But for some stuff I just threw together, it works. This sits way too low off the ground to go through much grass. There we go. Anyway, and where it's geared down, and just the original little tiny sprocket there. It's a 10 tooth, welded to where the dog bone went for the transmission, usually bolted in the center. And the servo's super glued. I think I said that before. Super glued to the front of the motor with a piece of wire bent inside there. Didn't come back out really, and through there. There's my good old-fashioned piece of stock air filter. And gas power rules. Goodbye.